Good evening, students. How are you doing? Welcome one more time to our English lesson today. Today, our objective, we are going to talk about lexicology. Okay? Lexicology. Teacher, what is lexicology? Okay. Let's learn a little bit about this new topic. Okay? So, Fernanda, can you read please what lexicology is?
It's a study of words, their meaning, meaning, and how they are formed and trend over time.
Thank you so much. So it's a study of words, their meaning, origin, where the word is from. Some words are from Greece, some words are from England, right? Latin, okay? And how they are formed, okay? How they are constructed. Sometimes they use prefixes, suffixes, okay? We are going to talk about that. So I have a question. Do you know do you know the word football in Spanish? Yes, right? Yes. This word, it comes from, where do you think it comes from? It's from Peru? No, because in Peru we speak Quechua, right? Okay. This word, where do you think it comes from? Spain? Yeah, probably, yes. But it's more, this is more British, more from England, the word, yes, football, okay? Yes. And do you know the word automobile? The same, this word comes from Greece and Latin, okay, derivation. So, lexicology is the study of words. We study the words. What's the meaning and where are they from? So, languages are not static, guys. Languages are not static. They change all the time. New words appear and some disappear. For example, in technology, nowadays we have internet, selfie, and this Peruvian word that is yape also is becoming famous these days, right? And some other words like, for example, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, yes, they are related to technology, right? And also culture, right? Like reggaeton, for example, right? Reggaeton is a new word, yes, these days. In the past, we never had this word, right? Imagine in the 70s, it didn't exist, yes? The same. Imagine in the 70s we didn't have selfie. What was that? Yes? Or TikTok, right? So now let's talk about this word. Derivation. Derivation. Can you read please, Miss Valerie, what derivation is?
Derivation means creating new words.
Exactly, yes. Derivation means creating new words by adding prefixes or suffixes, right? So, for example, this is in Spanish language, guys. For example, feliz. Feliz is the word that we know, yes, and then is another pan. But then we are going to add, okay, this is the prefix, this is the suffix. So when we mix them, we get felizmente, right? Okay, and the same with pan, right? An arrow. That's arrow, then we get the word panadero, right? That is the way we form words, right? Can you read please composition, Fernanda?
When we combine two words,
Is when we combine two words or roots, For example, auto plus móvil, and then we get automóvil. Para plus breezes, and then we get para breezes. Okay, so let's have a pause. Okay, for a while. Pause. Okay, so let's continue talking about lexicology, guys. Okay, so we have the parasynthesis. Okay, what is the parasynthesis? Valerie, can you read this? Yes, we call this when we use derivation and composition at the same time, like bulto, abultar, for example. Yes, we add prefix plus root plus suffix at the same time. Yes, so let's talk about the roots. What are roots, please? Can you tell me, Fernanda, read roots?
Roots are the base form of a word. They give meaning.
Yes, they give the meaning, the base form of the word. Like for example, we have here bio, that is life, and then we get in the Spanish language biología. And then we get cardio, that is heart, that means heart, and in Spanish we can get the word cardiólogo, right? Language borrow words from other languages. Yes. Do you know these words? As I tell you first, remember I told you football. This is from another country. It's not from Peru. It's not from Mexico. Where is it from? It is from England. It's an English word. Yes. Because in American we say soccer, but in British English is football. That comes from foot and the ball. Yes, okay, your foot and the ball. That's why we kick the ball with our foot. In Spanish we call that football too. It's written differently, right? But the meaning is English, football. The same with this word, chef. You know where it comes from, chef? Chef is French. It's a French word. But this word is everywhere, yes? It's also an occupation, yes? Who wants to be a chef? You want to be a chef? Okay, good, mister. Yes. And tomate. Tomate is an indigenous word. Yes. It's not British or French, Italian, no. It's an indigenous word. There are indigenous words that we now use in Spanish. Like for example, in Mexico, they call aguacate. In Peru, we call palta, right? Okay, those are words that we borrow from other languages. Yes, that is basically lexicology. Now, can you give me some examples of lexicology, please, in Spanish? Okay, some words. Okay, let's see, Fernanda, can you give me one word? Claramente, yes, good. Rompecabezas, good. Desorden, yes. Any other? Cubrecama, okay. What? Sacapunta, okay. Another? Other words? Portalapicero, okay, good. Other? Somebody was saying corta uña there, right? Okay. Some other words? Maybe. Okay, tell me. Guardalapis? What is that?
Portalapicero.
She said portalapicero, okay, yes. So, no more examples? Okay, so there are many words, okay, that we can, mix, okay, and get new words. We call that lexicology, right? We use suffixes, prefixes, and the roots. Root is the main word, the principal word that gives the meaning. Yes? And then some words that come from other languages. Okay? So I think that's it for tonight. Yes? Any question? No questions? Yes? Okay. So I have a question for you. Okay? I have a question. Let's see. Let's remember what lexicology is. What is lexicology? Who can tell me? Is the study of origin of the words. Is the study of the words. Specifically what? The origin, the meaning, and how they are formed and how they change over the time. Okay? Some words are new and some others are disappearing. Okay? Yes? So that's it. Thank you very much for participating in the class, guys. Okay? Thank you so much.